Hello everybody, welcome back to Roblox. I know it's been a while since I played a Roblox game, but yeah. We're back, and if you want to see more Roblox content, you already know what to do. But yeah. Today we are playing Five Nights at Maze, or Mayleys. I used to play this game a lot back then. Not on the same account, obviously, because you can see it continues as Night 1. But yeah. We're just gonna jump into it. So it is just like a Five Nights at Freddy's
Welcome
game.
back.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't 100% remember what I have to do. Oh, no. All I know is that, oh. So do I like shut this door? I'm confused. Do I shock you? No? You see camera, oh? Sorry about that, I had to mute that. That was copyrighted music. But yeah, oh? So is she gonna come through like the middle door? So now the clown's over here. So like shock you? I don't understand. Okay.
Get ready for the special surprise.
What? Oh. Wait a minute. Was that the clown or? Okay, I can unmute it now. So if I mute it, or I could just like turn off the Roblox. Okay, this, oh, well that's how you close them. Okay. I guess I'll just put like a little thing on screen. Like I'll put this on screen if I have to mute it. Like if I'm muted and that it's just not your audio, because I've been confused by that before by other people I watch. And yeah. So I'll just put like a little dot whenever I'm muted.
Get ready for the special surprise.
Okay. Is there a way I can turn off like copyrighted music? Nope. Oh, okay. Do I shock you? I don't understand. I don't understand you. Oh! Oh, I just clearly... Oh, when he gets all the way to the screen, he probably jump scares you. Oh.
Watch out! I'm coming for you.
Not gonna lie, I thought that was in real life. Okay. Well, that was interesting. Hold on, I'm gonna see what they do. Oh my god. So, aesthetic. Aesthetic will move to the right or left when she says to watch out. Close the door corresponding to the side she's at. If she announces a surprise, close the opposite door. Okay. And we also need to worry about her. Brooke will slowly get up from her resting spot. You have to continuously check on her. If you notice she's gone, quickly shut the right door. Okay. Alright. So let's do this. If you want to see more like Roblox or like FNAF content, just let me know.
Welcome back.
Hi. But yeah, if y'all want to see more content like this, you know, just comment down below. So, these are the 3 cameras we need to worry about. I don't know why you could like shock them though. Or her though, I don't understand that. Did they just leave it there on accident? Because I'm assuming from here somebody's gonna like mess with the orange juice supply and we have to shock them. Can she go?
Watch out! I'm coming for you.
So this door? Yep. But yeah. Okay. So the only one we would really have to okay, like I was saying, so, I never understood this about Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm pretty sure it's because, like, the light up here, you know, like the light bulb. So, like I was trying to say, I'm pretty sure the light bulb makes the usage 1, because if it didn't, like, make the game, or, like, any FNAF game in that case, 1 usage, then you shouldn't, like, you wouldn't have to be worried about the power as much. Yeah. I died. I swear there's like a secret you could do somewhere here. I remember there was like something you could do. Oh, that's just the music. I remember there was like something you could do. Why is this side not glowing, but yet that one is? Bro, you have got to be kidding me. Alright. I've been recording for 20 minutes. I'm gonna end it here. We got 0 progress. But yeah, I'll see you guys, next time. You know what to do if you want to see more of this game. And, yeah. Goodbye.